Good morning. This is just a quick tour to show you how to log into your MyAllen account. First, you'll want to go to Allen's website, which is allencc.edu. Once you get to the home page here, you're just going to click here on the MyAllen button. And then your portal will open up. Up here is where you're going to put your your username, and that will be your student ID number. Do not look at mine. It would be something like 189526, something to that. Your password is going to be the first four initials of your last name plus the last four digits of your social security number. If you did not put your social security number into your application when you applied, then you're going to use the numbers 9999. So I will go ahead and show you what it looks like for me. Then you'll just click login, and then you'll have all of the buttons that apply to you as a student right here across the top. Enrollment, academics, finances, etc.